Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today we are going to show you exactly how to retrieve old text messages on Android so you can recover those important conversations. We will walk you through the settings and hidden folders to get your data back. So now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 involves opening the Messages app on your home screen. Step 2 is to tap on your profile icon located in the top corner of the screen to access your personal account settings. Step 3 requires you to select the archived option from the list to view conversations that have been hidden from your main inbox. Step 4 is to tap and hold on the specific message you wish to recover until it is highlighted or selected. Step 5 is to tap the up arrow icon to unarchive the message and return it to your primary conversation list. This step is essential because it makes the deleted text visible again in your main inbox so you can read and reply to it normally. Method 2. Step 1 is to open the settings menu on your Android device. Step 2 is to tap on accounts and backup or system depending on your specific phone model to access your data management tools. Step 3 is to tap on backup to Google Drive and then select the backup now option to ensure your latest data is saved. Step 4 requires you to tap on backup details or other device data within the menu to see the specific categories of information stored. Navigating to this area allows you to pinpoint exactly what type of files, such as call logs or messages, are available for recovery. Step 5 is to turn on the backup for other device data and then choose to restore the SMS and MMS messages from your cloud storage. This process downloads the saved versions of your text back onto your phone, effectively bringing back any messages that were previously deleted. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.